Don't text and drive tonight. Hey, you might text and drive tonight. Don't text and drive tonight. Hey, you might text and drive tonight. Don't text and drive tonight. Don't text and drive tonight. Don't text and drive tonight. Hey, hey, don't text and drive tonight. 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 You might end up losing your life. Then you never have a real pretty wife after having a life so nice.
You're so cool, texting all your proof, saying hold up, I'm about to come through. I'm trying to tell you, you must have never knew. Texting and driving can end your life too.
Just like making bad mistakes with all the people you swear ain't fake. Cause when life gets real, it doesn't matter. The only person that cares is the ladder.
And by the ladder, I mean you. See your homies, they never come through. The only one you can always trust is the good Lord above. You know that's the most.
But if you text and drive, he can't save you. Jesus, take the wheel, it's too late, dude. Do one simple thing I'm advising. Turn your phone off while you're driving.